Hind students, in chapter number 7 we will study about cubes and cube roots. So let's understand first what is the cube number. You can see here 5 is being multiplied 3 times, and in your previous classes in class 7 you have studied about exponent and power. So from there you already know that 5 into 5 into 5 can be written as 5 is raised to the power of 3. Here this number 125, which is obtained by multiplying 5 3 times, is the cube of 5. It means 125 is the cube of 5. Here 125 is the perfect cube number because it is obtained when we find the cube of a natural number. We have a chart here. You can see cube of 1 is equal to 1, cube of 2 is equal to 8. You can see cube of 3 is equal to 27. What is going on? We are multiplying the number 3 times. Again we can fill the chart here. Cube of 5 is 125 and cube of 6 is 216, and so on. You can fill the numbers. All the numbers which are obtained when a natural number is raised up to the power of 3 are called perfect cube numbers. We are given same heading as we got in the chapter, in the previous chapter, square and square numbers. What will be the ones digit of cube of a number? See, here we have 11, and in the cube of 11 we have 1 as ones digit. So if a number ends with 1, its cube also ends with 1. If a number ends with 2, its cube ends with 8. If you are said find the ones digit of the cube of a number which ends with 8, you can see if we are given the example 18, so its cube ends with 2, means ones digit is 2. If we are given 2744, so what should you do? You first find the ones digit of the base number, and that is 4. Multiply 4 3 times because we are going to find the ones digit of the cube of the number. 4 4 is 16. Again you have to multiply 16 and 4. Now you have two methods. You can multiply 16 and 4, you will get 64. And here this ones digit 4 is your answer, means in the cube of the number 2744, the ones digit is 4. Here you multiplied 16 and 4. We can do one more thing here. We can multiply only this 6 and this 4. Again you will get here 24, means in both the results you can see ones digit is same. So your result is what? If you are given a number, you have to find ones digit of the cube of the number, then pick the ones digit of the number and multiply this number 3 times. It should be 4 here. Make it 4 first. And in the multiplication of these numbers, the ones digit you will get, that will be the digit of the ones of the cube of the number. Okay. Now we are given a try this exercise. You can see find the ones digit of the cube of each of the following number. So we have to find ones digit of the cube of the following number. I'm going to solve one question for you. I'm going to pick this one, 77. In this question you can see ones digit is 7. So multiply 7 3 times and let's see what unit digit you will get in the multiplication of 7 into 7 into 7. So 7 7 is 49, you know that. And you have to multiply this 49 by 7. So I'm going to give you a trick. Don't multiply these numbers. You again find the ones digit of the 49. Okay, pick that is 9. 9 into 7. And the multiplication of 9 and 7 becomes 63. You get 3 as ones digit of the multiplication of 7 into 7 into 7. So In the cube of the 77, our ones digit is 3. Now, we will discuss some properties of the cube numbers. Let's see. First property is what? Adding consecutive odd numbers. But before we discuss, let's watch a video first.
Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell how can we express cube numbers as sum of consecutive odd numbers. Let us go through with some examples. First one is 3 cube. 3 cube we can express as sum of 3 consecutive odd numbers. 4 cube we can express as 4 consecutive odd numbers. 5 cube we can express as sum of 5 consecutive odd numbers. So first odd number we can find like this. Here 3 cube we need, so 3 into, before 3 is 2, so 3 into 2 plus 1. So 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, that is 7. So first odd number here is 7. So we can express 3 cube as 7 plus 9 plus 11. The next example is 10 cube. Here we need 10 cube, so we have to add 10 consecutive odd numbers. We have to find the first odd number like this. 10 into, before 10 is 9, so 10 into 9 plus 1, that is 10 9s are 90, 90 plus 1 91. So the first odd number here is 91, and the consecutive odd numbers are 91, 93, 95, 97, 99, 101, 103, 105, 107 and 109. So these are 10 numbers. If we add all these numbers, we will get 10 cube, that is 1000. Here also we will get 7 plus 9 plus 11 is 27. We will get 3 cube. Please express these cube numbers as sum of consecutive odd numbers. First one is 2 cube, second one is 7 cube and third one is 12 cube.